here with RPG again. You guys know RPG hair is the GOAT. Same packaging like last time. It has their website on the box as usual, you know. So let's go ahead and see what we got today. So got my drawstring bag here with the wig. So we'll get into that in a few. I got extra elastic band. I got flyaway tamer, wig cap, edge brush and comb, and you know, the regular information card. Today's wig, I mean, you can't totally see it, but it is a straight texture that we're working with. This is a 20-inch, okay, natural color lace front wig, and it has a 6-inch parting space. I love when there's a deep parting, okay? And it is medium lace. It is a medium brown lace, and if you need, you could always go ahead and add the extra elastic bands. It comes with a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. That's how it looks. Standard cap construction. Oh wow, oh my, I love. They spent extra time on this lace. Like, you definitely don't have to go in and pluck this at all. If you go in and pluck this, you're going to make it look bald in the front. They went in on this hairline. I know I'm gonna love this. I don't even have to think about it. You see that? You guys see that? Wanna can't see? Yeah, man. One thing about RPG, they make a go little hard upon them wig. Oh my god, this is really nice. And the lace, it feels thin, so that's always a plus for me. The texture of the hair is not like very silky though, to be honest. It is on the coarser side. Am I getting shedding? No, I'm not getting shedding at this moment. It's nice and full from the root to the tip, but one thing that I must say that's very nice about this wig, which I feel like that's the star of the show down here, the hairline. It comes with a very realistic hairline, so yeah. I proceeded to just applying it. Guys, you see, this is the first time I've ever gotten a wig that was this pre-plucked or this plucked, because you see that graduation in the front. Now maybe I feel like for the middle portion it could have been a little less plucked, but I don't mind because I know how to fix this, and you're gonna see further down in the video. Like, but this graduation, it makes it look so natural. Like, talk the truth. Let me know you guys' thoughts in the comment section. I was feeling this because one, it laid super flat, and you'll see that in a minute. I was just in love with it. Before I even applied my adhesive, I was really just playing around with it and just admiring it. And I'm happy that, you know, RPG, they're continuously stepping up their game. I really like that. I really do. And this lace was extremely thin, so it was really not much work. It wasn't a lot of work to like melt down and camouflage into my skin and just look super undetectable. So that was a big plus for me. I then moved on to apply my Got To Be spray to just, you know, get everything sticking. This wig, I see myself wearing it time and time again. I can't wait to install this with glue. Like, you see that graduation? I just can't stop talking about it. I know you see it, but it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I then used my elastic band to further melt that down, and then I went in with my hot comb to lay everything, and then just look at it while I lay it. This looks like a fresh relaxer. You see that? Fresh relaxer, guys. It is beautiful. I love that. Yeah, man. I recommend this wig 20 out of 10. Like, it's bomb. I went in, I really didn't have to do any baby hairs, you know, I really didn't, but I really felt like I wanted to do two soft swoops, so I got my little flat iron here, and you know, I'm not 100 on making this kind of baby hair or swoop just yet. I'm still practicing. I haven't fully gotten the hang of it, but I'm getting there. So yeah, I was just doing that here, and then I played around with my swoops. And initially when I was doing this, I was thinking about how am I going to style the actual hair. And I really just thought that, you know, the best thing would have been to just do a pull back, sleek back look, because we want to show off this hairline. Like, I don't want to do any center part, I don't want to do a side part, I just want to show off the hairline. So I know that I do look a little bit bald, so later on we're gonna fix it, okay? I know. So I was just working on, I did a half up, half down, but it was more like the top portion, I pulled it more to the back, so it had that sleek back look, you know. It was so easy to work with. I didn't have trouble with bumps and lumps, and it wasn't like, you know, it just looked so neat and natural. So you see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? That looks like a fresh relaxer. A fresh relaxer, okay? All right, so what I wanted to do here, I literally was going for a blunt cut look. So I just took off like 2 inches off the hair, because I feel like that would have made it way cuter. And that's what I did. It's really not that much of the length that I took off. Okay, so we're all melted. You see me smiling, right? So what I did, I got a black eyeliner, right? And I literally start doing like strokes, hair like strokes, to fill in portions that I thought looked a little bit too plucked. And yeah, I then proceeded to flat ironing the hair, and it really didn't take much work. It was really easy to work with. As you can see, I just grabbed one section and I went through it, and look at that, it's butter. Guys, you guys see this meltdown? You see this meltdown? It is really beautiful. And I decided to not do a center part, a side part, not like that. I really just feel like this kind of hairline deserves to be shown. It deserves to be shown. So I pulled it back and did a low half up, half down. So yeah, that's the vibe I went for. And I did blunt cut. So I kind of just cut off like 2 inches off of it, so now it's like 18 inches. Yeah, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think. You could finesse it if you feel like some areas are a little bit too plucked for your liking. You could always go in with, like I showed in a previous clip, with like a black pencil and kind of like do hair like strokes. That's what I did. And fill that in, because I found that a couple areas were a little bit too plucked for me, so that's what I did to balance out things. But oh, and I did these soft baby hairs. I used my little Remington flat iron. I just bought that yesterday at the pharmacy. I'm so happy I found that, because you guys heard like in a previous video or two, I was saying I didn't have one and I used my small curling iron, but to use the flat iron is actually better. That's like a 1 inch or so. It's actually better, and it looks way more, you know, natural looking. It doesn't look paste down and stiff, so I like the look of that. So yeah, that's how that looks. It's very nice and silky and full. So the look of that that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to be sure to put all the specs on this wig in my description box and the direct link where you can go ahead and purchase it. RPG hair, shout out to you, because I wig hair win. It is life, okay? 10 out of 10 would recommend. But yeah guys, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.